Waiting for the food and the fries. Hey, wait, are you waiting? Waiting. Don't say nothing. Just give me some fries. Give me some fries. Snälla. Waiting for the fries. We're doing mukbang here in the car, but we also have visitors outside waiting for the food. Hello, what are you doing there? Waiting for food again? Hello. There's another one coming here. Ah, flying. Looking for food. Again. Ooh. Spotting for food. Food.
Food. Food. Give me some food. One slice of your fries. Give me food. I want food.
Becoming more. You're thinking you're throwing some fries. Oh, what's your reaction? I want food. No food. He's just joking. He's not throwing anything. Stupid guy. Don't throw. You're not throwing, but you're acting like throwing food. See? You're mad at you. Eh? He's joking. Why are you joking? Crying. I want food. They're crying. Why? Where's the food? Just joking. I'm just joking.
No,
Hello, they're crying.
I didn't have video on.
Huh? See?
No, I don't want them here now.
They're flying.
No, I'm going. I'm going.
Wait. See? They're looking for food.